Hello, and this is the Baby Lightning Gun. And it is a thing of beauty. And you heard that right. It is in fact pressure sensitive triggered. If you're going to use drill as a base, well, you might as well do extra good awesome things with it.
Cool.
And this is Stacy, the inventor of this amazingly awesome thing. Smile for the camera. And that is, do a bit of a close-up here. That's right, this is a Tesla coil where all of the guts fit into a drill case. And, amazingly enough, very soon, probably, you'll be able to actually order and buy one of these. Have a good night, all.